What if you could create a full-blown Hollywood-style movie without a camera, actors, or even a studio? Sounds wild? Well, it's real, and it's here. If you've ever wanted to make jaw-dropping fantasy-style videos, powerful video ads, or viral short films without filming a single frame, this new AI tool is about to blow your mind. Introducing Aieffects Movie Maker, a revolutionary app that creates ultra-realistic 8K cinematic videos using AI-generated actors, voices, effects, scripts, and more. No tech skills, no editing headaches, and get this, you can publish straight to TikTok, YouTube, or Insta in just minutes. Here's what makes AI Movie Maker a total game changer. It writes your script using AI. It generates ultra-realistic AI actors. Yes, full human characters. Adds lifelike voiceovers in different accents and tones. Automatically adds stunning soundtracks and sound effects. Even designs thumbnails and titles for max clicks. You want Hollywood-style drama, sci-fi adventures, business explainers, product promos? You can do it all in minutes, and it looks insane. Imagine this. You're a content creator with zero budget, or a small business owner needing pro-quality ads fast, or maybe you're an agency offering video services. Now you can create content that looks like it came out of a Netflix studio without hiring anyone or touching a camera. This isn't the future. This is now. And the best part, you get a commercial license so you can sell videos to clients, offer video creation as a service, launch your own AI video agency, monetize every video you make. Plus, when you grab it today, you'll unlock exclusive bonus tools. AI-powered 8K movie creator, talking avatars, voiceovers in 150 plus languages, real-time motion graphics, bold social media visuals, SEO optimization, and more. This is an all-in-one creator suite. You don't need 10 different tools, just this one. And if you want to level up even further, check out these powerful upgrades. Unlimited access. Create as many videos as you want. Pro version, unlock advanced features and customization. DFY edition, pre-made cinematic scenes ready to roll. Sound creator, build custom AI soundtracks. White label rights, rebrand and sell as your own product. You're not just buying a tool, you're building a business. This is the easiest and fastest way to create studio-grade videos, whether you're doing it for fun, profit, or both. No other app gives you this much power, speed, and creative freedom in one place. But here's the deal. It won't be available at this insane price for long. Once this launch ends, the price goes up and the bonuses vanish. So don't wait. Click the link below, grab AI Effects, and start creating cinematic magic today. Hit that link in the description right now before it's gone. Let AI Effects turn your wildest ideas into viral video gold in minutes.